subtraction sound here. Okay, so today we're going to teach you subtraction.
Whoa!
Subtraction. That's what you're going to learn today.
Yay!
Okay, so this is 1/10. Then one of these tiny blocks, it's 1 unit.
Okay. Whoa, that's a big word.
And today I've got 7 of the big 10s.
Oh, that's
And then 1 of the small units.
Wow.
And today we're going to take 3 10s and 2 units off of that.
Wow.
For you to do that, with the big 10s, you will need to take away 3. So they can go home and go to bed. They're going to sleep. Okay. And then, so you see there's a 2 here. And you can't take 2 off of 1. So
What are we gonna do?
you have to trade one of these into these.
Whoa.
So count with me. How many of these do we need?
28.
Ten.
You made this many.
We need this many. Okay, so I've got 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then I need to connect them all into one big line. No, you cannot eat them. Hang on, folks, this might take a while.
Blue ones are my favorite. How much is that?
Right. Okay, so there's 10 of these. And you need to hang on, folks.
Okie dokie.
Okay, so because you have to take away 2 from this, you need to take away this one, then 1 of these. And then, therefore, you have your answer of here. Which one of you wants to tell me the answer? Here. Would you like to count how many there are?
Okay, so there's 10,
Yes.
20,
Yes.
30, theo phèn 40 thì trong nào 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is it? 39?
Yeah! 39! So now, this will not be a question mark.
Wow, you solved mystery.
We solved mystery.
Oh my god.
And what was the answer again?
39. Job, it's not even the same.
Okay, so now, guys, we'll have to figure out this one. So, you will need 3 10s from the 3 right here. And then, you will need 2 units.
Whoa.
Okay, and then, you need to take away 2 of the big 10s, then 3
Whoa.
of the small ones, called units. We'll get to that later. Okay, so you need to take away 2 of these. They're gone to sleep as well.
Oh.
Okay, and there's a 3 here, and there's a 2. So you can't do a 2 and take away 3. So you have to trade this one for 10 of these.
Okay. Can I count this?
Not this time. Okay. think this one was going to go to sleep. Okay. And then you need to take away 3 of the small ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Then who would like to count this one? Let's pick that one. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're so tall, Subtraction Sam.
Okay. Now everyone yell out the answer. 9. Good job. Thank you for watching Subtraction Sam.